Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to earn more income on Likee. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Likee application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or if you don't have one, you can always go and register to Likee. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, we have in the bottom of the screen, we have everything about your profile. We have the messages. We have the big plus button where you can go and add some more content. We have the explore and the for you page at the end. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and earn more income on Likee. So first of all, you can go and earn income through crowns. So basically you can go and catch more crowns, get more crowns, and that's how your income on Likee can go skyrocketing. Also, you can find some sponsorships and promotional pay. So basically that is a way that you can go and earn some money. You can do it by live streaming on the app and participating in challenges. So you can also go live in Likee to earn more. So that's one more way that you can go and of course do it. You can increase content visibility through hashtags. You can affiliate marketing and collaborations, and manage personal brands and campaigns on Likee. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, if you haven't already done that, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.